Lucidity was founded in Taiwan in 1981. Has a nearly 40 years reputation for quality products and services, with global subsidiaries. At the same time, Tsu-Yang Charity Foundation was established to give back to society. Lucidity are Taiwan's largest commercial vehicle lighting manufacturer. From design to production, we provide one-stop customized service to fully meet the needs of customers worldwide. Lucidity invests heavily in R&D and strives to improve software and equipment whilst developing a variety of innovative products. Lucidity is a market leader when it comes to introducing new products and new optical designs, such as glow light, light guide, and other cutting-edge technologies, providing customers with a unique product experience. Lucidity are continuously improving and optimizing its equipment and manufacturing processes, using CCD and AOI visual inspection equipment to control product quality. With a variety of automated production equipment and multifunctional robotic arms, Lucidity improves the production efficiency to an annual capacity of 55 million units. All lights undergo rigorous tests such as weather tests, shock vibration tests, dust protection tests, and an additional EMC and photometric tests, ensuring compliancy with international standards. Lucidity also offer lighting and electrical harness products as a complete solution, complying with local regulations in order to bring safety to humans. Our customers are distributed in more than 50 countries over the world. We provide just-in-time services with local branches in every continent, covering OEM, AM, and retail markets, to meet the needs of customers in different fields with the most professional service. We offer events uniting employees, facilities for promoting physical, mental health, and environmental protection projects. Investing in solar power, we can produce 800,000 kilowatt hours of electricity annually, reducing pollution in the production process. And we provide green products by sustainable operations to achieve the highest goal of contributing to the society. Bring the brightness and safety to human transportation. Lucidity.